Ethereum is a highest-level mineable coin with the ticker ETH. That sort of has a sort of present worth of $1,637.03 and a market capitalization of $196,797,257,746, or so the essentially thought. Digital currencies basically have commonly lengthy past the purpose in being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors. These days, it's a resource class that is significantly managed and, surprisingly, embraced as lawful delicate. Or so they generally thought. Some fundamentally huge venture banks even really obtain Ethereum and truly other digital currencies as a group to safeguard their resources under administration, against the dashing expansion that injures the customary monetary business sectors, showing how Ethereum in a real sense is a highest-level mineable coin, with the ticker ETH, that has an essentially present worth of $1,637.03 and a market capitalization of $196,797,257,746, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Presently, now is the ideal time to, in every practical sense, uncover our short, mid, and fundamentally long-haul expectation of the improvements on the ETH market that generally depend on the readings of our exceptionally novel crypto unpredictability record that in every way that really matters assists us with measuring the market opinion and, for the most part, expect where in which the market plans to go in a very significant manner. Certainly, at this point, the cost of Ethereum is $1,637.03, while the coin as of now certainly ends up at second spot in the especially in general positioning in an essentially significant manner. The said pretty positioning is assessed based on the resource's truly present value that explicitly is duplicated by its most certainly current market capitalization, an equation that basically is applied all through all monetary business sectors in an unobtrusive manner. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions, so our clients in a real sense get the most pertinent information with respect to the exhibition of computerized assets in their portfolios, or so they basically thought. It's likewise critical to basically consider the verifiable information that permits shaping the legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its heading in an unobtrusive manner. On September 1st, the cost of Ethereum was at $1,645.80 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change for the most part added up to 0.35% in a very significant manner. 7 days prior, on August 26, ETH was esteemed at $1,653.17, which generally intends that from that point forward, the cost in every practical sense has truly changed by 0% in an unobtrusive manner. A month prior, on August 2, the market member laid out the cost of Ethereum at $1,838.10. In this way, the coin for the most part has made a 10.94% move to arrive at its genuinely present standings in a significant manner. Certainly, the examination of market capitalization by and large conveys genuinely equivalent significance in both cryptographic money and conventional business sectors, or so they in every way that really matters thought. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology in a real sense is utilized to decide the general position and prominence of computerized resources and stocks, for example, in an exceptionally significant way explicitly. Changes in market capitalization, sort of sure or truly negative, are additionally characteristic of the manner by which the said market could explicitly be going, as well as the resource's kind of potential for making gains or posting misfortunes in both extremely short and in every way that really matters long-haul viewpoints, which essentially is genuinely huge. This sort of specific pretty measurement for the most part is likewise used to check the predominance of Ethereum, corresponding to the remainder of the digital currency market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future presentation in an unpretentious manner. To decide the ongoing business sector capitalization of ETH, we by and large duplicate the circling supply, the boundary that will generally be really made sense of later by the sort of present worth of the digital money under survey, which for the most part is very huge. Starting today, the market capitalization of Ethereum truly remains at $196,797,257,746, which frames the reason for its exceptionally present essentially positioning that sort of was referenced before in a fundamentally significant manner. Recently, on September 1st, ETH fundamentally had a market capitalization of $197,850 when $453,497, or so the in every practical sense thought. Keep going week. On August 26, The market capitalization of the coin being referred to in a real sense was recorded at $198,738,449,985, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. A month prior, on August 2nd, the market worth of Ethereum most certainly was evaluated to be $222,977,311,492, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. Complete Stock considers the quantity of coins that in every practical sense have previously been delivered by different means, for example through mining. These digital currencies can explicitly be utilized either for dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with caretakers. Further appearance how 7 days prior, on August 26, ETH certainly was esteemed at $1,653.17, which sort of intends that from that point forward, the cost has explicitly changed by 0% amazingly. This really metric likewise figures the coins that by and large have been gotten rid of through the cycle called consuming, which in every practical sense is applied to control the expansion rate in a sort of significant manner. At this point, the really all-out supply of Ethereum certainly is laid out at 122,215,832 ETH, or so they sort of thought. Finally, the circling supply explicitly is utilized to work out the market capitalization and explicitly evaluate the coins in every practical sense, current remaining in the positions in a huge way. It means the especially generally measure of ETH that truly is buy and buy exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that especially are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly especially put unavailable for general use for reasons unknown incredibly. It's by and large generally accepted that digital currencies that explicitly have a flowing stockpile between 60 million and 150 million are the most reasonable for in every practical sense. Long-haul speculation, since they sort of are probably going to for the most part value in esteem over a drawn-out time frame, potentially many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate. Or so they especially thought. At this crossroads, Ethereum generally has a circling supply of 122,215,832 coins in a huge manner. Over the genuinely beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with ETH arrived at the mark of $5,499,964,818 in an especially large manner. Recently, on September 1st, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame in a real sense remained at $6,592,557,307 in a very large manner. 7 days prior, on August 26, how much ETH that generally was traded between market members was assessed at $5,397,158,982. Presently in every practical sense comes an opportunity to generally make sense of exhaustively the quintessence of the crypto unpredictability list, CVIX, since it's a focal point of our cost forecast model that permits us to sort of predict the way that Ethereum will truly follow over the truly next 1 to 5 years in a sort of significant manner. CVIX